Hello all.
Hello and welcome back to CarX Part 2 on the part 359. A little bit outburn today, I'm sorry. Construction work. Was not really dealing done with bricklaying today. I was the crane driver. Trying actually cleaned up the construction work. Trying my best. I don't know. If you're a crane driver, like you're a bricklayer, you see so many stuff, you know, so many things. You can clean up, build up, just help the other persons actually before the thinking started, not to do dealing something up with these, like give me brakes, give me mortar, all these stuff, you know. And I didn't lose any fucking, you know, weight. I was in the shower, I just shaved myself a bit here and make my hair, and just get 2 pieces of my oven, and the new oven is very quick and very fast. Now I have actually pieces that are a little burned, so give them a little, you know, extra vegetables on it, and get them together like double tacos or something, not folded, but actually clapped to each other's side. So I hope it's coming better then. Giving a little barbecue sauce on it, cheese, tomatoes, cucumber a bit. Let's see. Let it actually in an oven, in an open oven. It's very crunchy, I can tell. Yeah. So well. Yeah, as I told you, the F40 is gone. And that was actually at Saturday, Sunday. I gave up away the video. Or was it Sunday to Monday? So I think it was Sunday. So the car is gone. But doesn't matter. I heard already it comes back if to have these technical problems solved. But look at that. Little fortune teller. Thanks to these other guy. To the Goozies. Gooziest, right? Yeah, that Russian guy, I think. Everything's good. Was a fun car, definitely, it was. I thought at the first moment it had something with the license to deal done. That CarX didn't actually bought out this license of the Ferrari F40. No. That was some problem. The aerodynamic kit would say, but, you know, I didn't, that was no issue or something, actually. Well. Let's find the video and, you know, link that in here. And maybe linking this one in here as well. I know there's no partner actually. Yeah, I'm linking for or just making an old commercial for. No, there's no partner. Partner's myself. Actually not a fan of Elon Musk or something, but
my
congratulations.
Spotify list.
Whose
URL.
Good landing on his Ferrari number 2. Fantastic. I just watched it this morning. You know, it's kind of, I'm not a fan, as I say. I don't like actually this person itself to make money and all the stuff. But he's investigating. He invest actually a lot of money in some companies, you know. And so he have a dealing done very much in his life and going through a lot actually with a money dealing done in here and investing actually in getting money away and stuff. And yeah, respect. I just saw actually the landing about his manned pod. So respect. Nice technology. It takes maybe a year or 2 years the Chinese just copy it. Yeah, and it's always like that, you know, it's typical. And so, here it is. 21 watches already. Just a little sharer about the F40.
F40 I just got days ago. URL.
Alright. Tschüss auch Kampagne, ich glaube, salut, salut, Gold, die schnell gespielt. Oh, this is naughty tonight. Little tequila at the beginning, of course. It's close to 9:30 p.m. here in Germany. I don't want to hit you. Your hair looks fine ass. Vamos. Now, what's with the earplugs again? That's like the vehicle side. Oh, it's so silent. I don't can feel it. Look at that, it's just gone. Still even reach the 70k already? No, I don't think no. Failed already. Tires are louder than the engine. Oh, look at that. 70k coming. I can't believe it. That little squirrel. Never gave up. Sure, the car is a little bit silent. And you got my earplugs actually on Spotify on 50%. What the hell is wrong? Seriously, the music's seriously louder than actually the car itself. And the music is by 70%. The car is by 95%. What the hell's going on in here? But don't be scared up. It's just a little happy accident. I swear. So to believe that there's something wrong in here with the F40, they changed the title actually, the title picture here as well. To let everybody know we fucked it up a bit, but actually that was no issue. I didn't saw an issue on the Quadranta. There was no issue. No blue screen, no jamming on the body kit, nothing. I don't know, maybe it was only on PC. They changed it completely, of course, this update. On the 2.21.1, right? So it doesn't matter. I can live with this. A little wall screen for my toe. Oh, is these far today? A little bit windy today, eh? 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 Down to another track. E-tron, we was ready. Alright, look at this one. Yeah, let's keep it moving, my man. Cheers up. Innerer Hass, Alter. Manchmal da geht der Kran einfach von selber mit. Manchmal ist er gut. Wenn er viel Gewicht drauf hat, dann ist er perfekt. Weil dann geht er nicht mehr richtig nach, sondern dann zieht ihm das Gewicht runter und dann hält er einfach von selber. Aber wenn du nichts dran hast, ja, jetzt beispielsweise eine Mörtelwanne, ein bisschen mit Dreck drin, oder du hast einen Zwangsmischer dran, oder eine Palette mit einer Schicht noch drauf, dann fährt er einfach, wie er gerade will, und dann hält er an. Auch wenn du dagegen lenkst, manchmal dann zippt er da ein bisschen, manchmal geht's, manchmal nicht. Ich hab selber, da wo ich manchmal denke, Alter, habe ich ein Patent über für den Kran, aber jetzt fahre ich den schon so lang. Jede Baustelle ist anders, und die ist jetzt lang, zum Beispiel, die ist jetzt lang, die Baustelle, die ist jetzt nicht großräumig, die ist einfach lang gezogen, und da geht's da wirklich um, jetzt haben wir jetzt wieder so eine Baustelle, die ewig lang ist. Zwar schon ein bisschen breit, aber der Kran steht ungünstig. Der steht zwischen Garage und dem Haus, kann man schon fast sagen. Er steht doof. Und bei dem Kran ist so, der fängt zum Wackeln an. Ich denke, wow, was ist das los? Ich habe nicht mal viel Gewicht drauf oder so. Und den haben wir jetzt schon seit fast 2 Jahren nicht mehr aktiv gehabt, wo ich mir denke, Alter, der TÜV ist auch was gekommen, hat eine kleine Umdrehung gemacht und mal das, Viertelumdrehung. Das Pappel drauf gepoppt und ist gefahren. Derzeit waren wir im Hof drüben und haben wir noch gesehen, dass der Kran auf einmal da drüben war, anstatt was ist da los? Ich hatte den betriebsbereit gehabt. Sind bloß für 1 Stunde rübergefahren und haben das Matteneisen verteilt. 2,5 Stunden, glaube ich, waren es sogar. 2,5 Stunden. Was ist das, Alter? Das kann jetzt nicht sein, oder? Also wenn du eine Woche fährst mit dem Kran, dann ja, dann will ich dir das Krankenhaus geben, aber so. Am Bauern würde ich es noch geben, weil der hat einigermaßen Verständnis dafür. Aber das ist immer so, wo ich mir sage, wenn was passiert, dann ist das scheiße. Ich meine, ich würde es verstehen. Ja, aber nicht der Chef, nicht der Bauleiter. Und Versicherung auch nicht. Wäre jetzt was anderes, wenn hier keine Häuser stehen würden. Dann würde ich sagen, ja, kannst du versuchen. Aber und das grüßt jetzt auch noch mit der Höhe. Sagen wir so, ich weiß einfach von nichts. Gambarimas. The hops gegangen. Nice one. Oh, I can't be done with this car. Be right back, need to go to the toilet. I'm having a little pee off. Matka. Die jetzt mit einer C. Und das auch oben ist schon wieder kalt. Ich kann viele Sachen ansehen. Das ist immer so dumm geht. Also, es riecht hier wie Weihnachten, Alter. Zimtplätzchen oder so. Das ist auch so Zimtplätzchen. Guck mal, geht das auch? Ja, ehrlich. Was ist denn da los? Ich muss noch mal scheißen gehen oder so. Okay, gleich. Ich hab wieder keiner zu. Das ist ein Thema. Nix. Nicht. We'll go with echoes. One for you. One for me. Stinkt aber auch hier ein bisschen. Es gibt da 3 Tauchen auf dem Tisch. Ist doch ein bisschen klar. Ja. Nein, mit dir dieser. Dankeschön. Für deinen Dienst. Und mal wieder. No trees burn. Top time, 1 minute 19. Wow. You look slow. Not noisy, like the car. Tadaimasu. Ci zakampanj, što vi se ljudi, sad uskali teraz nek špim. One round. Oh, I want to see your eyes. Oh, hell was wrong. It's 1-4, that's all. Bist du das Bier aus der Runge hast, oder?頑張ります。 on the ice as I thought. Sweet. Traction control. Or maybe not. I just was looking 1 second away to the desk. Nothing more. Just gone. Ganz gewaltig in meinem Bauch, Alter. Ich glaub, da kommt sowas. Richtiger Dünnschiss oder so. Oh, look at that. It's just missing. Oh, there's more missing. I like jam in. Be fast. Record plays by 3,800. Okay. You done with that. Let's beat the 4K. Ja, das kommt erst im Winter dran. Das ist gerade am Auge hier. Noch keine Feuchtigkeit drin. Ist schon besser. Cigarette, goddammit. Only the inner core just was burning. Holy moly. Where are we gonna go? Hey, we beat it up, yo. 600 points more than I thought. Ja, these beginner cars. That was good. Mal schauen, was morgen mit dem Stecker, wenn jetzt doch raus will. Ich bin mal gespannt, wirklich. Also der Kabeltrommel haben wir auch nichts gehört. Super, kaufen wir uns immer diese Plastiken. Ach, die sind Schrott, Alter. Kannst du in der Mülltonne entwerten. 180 € für eine, Alter, und dann fällt dir der Knopf ab und dann schaut der Spacks raus und dann musst du da mit dann... Nee, also das haut überhaupt nicht hin. Road race with a vehicle, eh? LA block. Why just didn't do that? One in the daylight and one in the night time. Nobody's watching anyway. 35 minutes, eh? There was one watcher for 1 second. That's all. I'm okay with that. I mean, in 13 years on DefRekka account on YouTube, there was 281 subscribers in 13 years. So it took me another 13 years maybe to reach 200 subscribers. Maybe. So I don't care. Not anymore. I'm getting older, you know. Another 13 years, I'm 50 years old. Well, live stream is anyway over then. There's no live stream anymore. It's not more important. There's other things importanter. Even by having a war all over the world. Dictating stuff. Maybe the extraterrestrial will just lay down actually on the internet. Satellites. Permanently. Maybe the sun came down. Exploding. Magnets. Solar storm. I don't know. I don't care. Because I think in 13 years I'm actually not living anymore. Let's just see. Just op kampagnen, så hvis vi så det skal bare det next stream. Komarimasu. Watch the scoreboard. Hello, 644. Nice. Time, but the car is done. It went nighttime in here a bit. Cloudy as well. R.I.P, what the hell? Getting fatter and blowed up more and more. about that? Okay, that's in the reverse. Nothing is over. Nothing done. Oh yeah, there was 116 cars, not 115 cars. And I owned actually 114 cars, and now I own 113 cars. Oh well. That's me looking good car doing. There's a lot of things to deal done. Oh, hickings. Sorry. That's the beer. It's not actually a dry beer. It's these pills in the beers. What the fuck? Too many malt in there. Ugh. Less calorie, but too many malt in there. Oh well. Skjorda ksufa. Ci za kampanje šlo, bi se ličil ljudsko prestižnek špim. Schmeckerac. Zwei Würzen. Gavatte. Maybe just a bad day or something. I just forget it for a couple of years. Okay. What the readers are just doing this. Clouds are coming. Maybe in an hour I could get a thunder with rain. Something like that. See? 36, 39. That was actually a bad day then. 70k. Group. CarX fine ass. You again. Did you get it actually already done this? Let's see. There's the exercise for that drop. Still 22 and 7. Nothing happened. What we got today? 33. 22. 3 days ago, eh? Oh, well. I see on YouTube on this game's actually nothing that doesn't hurry up in here. I feel like the diarrhea is coming up or something's cracked. Oh, is it still a Ford? I had so much stress today. Yesterday as well. Can't really go to the toilet and make big business. It will come over the night or something. Especially with my burnt pizzas, did I say? New oven. Burning fast. Was just in the shower, make my shavings. Just eating done with my hair. Cream de la cream came out and smelled it. Come to the oven, switch it off, watch the inside. Oh gosh, macaroni and pizza. Alright. Well, I fixed it with vegetables. Makes it a little bit juicier and crunchy now. Diarrhea definitely sooner or later, tomorrow in the morning. Whatever. Cheers up. Actually, the live stream has not the 60 frames per second, just a normal live stream. Because sometimes things that happens, you know, on the online mode, and that's very funny. I just want to record it then. So if you have the 60 frames per second on the live stream, you can't record then on the PlayStation 4. Maybe the PlayStation 5 can do deal done, but I don't care. Come on, us. a scratch. Nice one. That was fun. I like the Mitsubishi. A little bit more power. I need the precision is fun at. I like it. It's just a 579 on XP. That's weird. Yep, the clouds are getting darker. The background's starting not to rain. I can see that on the clouds, you know, making strings. Goes far away. Certainly wish I have a little time actually go to the toilet and enjoy myself. Maybe I have already diarrhea, I'm not sure about that one. Ah, fantastic thematic I'm talking about. Yeah. That's why it's not been done. Here we go. Seriously. Ich glaube, ich habe einfach nur Verstopfung, Alter. Oh. Must be the bread. Sometimes eating with salad and stuff. Tequila. Let's go have a Mac and after the bat actually eating done over there. Hey, what's up? Oh my god, what the hat is going on? Oh, it's disgusting. Oh, the worst corner, I never will actually find that hat again. Whatever. Yeah, be right back. Let's try go to the toilet. Leave you alone a little while. Sorry for that one. Oh, we're already starting up the rain. As I say so. Fixing the little Makita here. Where are you? Yo, power back. Be right back, mata. Just give me 2 minutes. So, that's cool. Finally there was something going on. I feel better. First a huge explosion actually in the toilet. And then 10 seconds after, novel coming up. Hold on, I need to close the windows. Thunder is coming up in here. Opens all the times my door up in here. Got the pressure so high in the corner here, living out. Yeah, poor Digi. Oh, that was a thunder. And lightning. Oh. I hate that. If you're eating very well and stuff like that, and if he is something like stomping in your stomach, it's just stopping, you know. Oh my gosh. And all these liquids actually, stopping by nearby as well. Actually, one time you fart, you never know if you get diarrhea or not. Well, comes out as nothing. Deutschland darf man sagen, kaum raus wie geschmiert. Yeah. Right, where we at? Tadaimasu, by the way. San Francisco, reverse. Gambarimasu. Too long. I was in the next corner. Stupid light post. Or whatever. I'm lazy and burned out today. I see things different like you maybe. Can be actually a 25. The machine. The machine. I don't feel sleepy, but I just burn out. It's just no power, no nothing actually. And my brain's just working. My fingers sometimes. Give it another CarX you try. The ARC Stroke. You're done with that vehicle anyway. A lot or less. Oh, alright. Whatever happened. Started up like it. Yeah, that's either done. Nah. That's unfair. 50k in no time. Oh, that's something. Oh, gosh. Oh, I didn't watch actually the reverse. You thinking I'm driving that normal? Forget about it. It's boring me. It's very frustrating to not get the 3k together. Tschüss auf Kampagne, Schwabi, salut, die schnell gespielt. Next Biru. Just a joke, right? What the heck are you looking at? Oder ob wenn das Walross dann ins Bett kommt, oder? Oh God. Sometimes actually I need to start up to train my body system again. But I don't care in life anymore since actually I'm 6 years old. Just that actually I was surrounded by the patchwork family with a lot of girls. So I started actually to train myself. But since I'm on the construction work, I'm really fucked up all the times. There's no pusher anymore. The older you get, more, actually lesser you have steroids or something, you know. So I already gave myself up. Trying to actually help other people out, that's all. Here we go, cleaned home. Prepare actually for eating and all these stuff. Laundry and all these shit, you know. That's normal stuff. But the rest of it, I just want to chill out and just wait for the dab. Compromise. Especially if you don't have family. Beast boy, eh? I have to say, if I'm driving that normal, I maybe get together 700 to 1000 XP, 1000 DP. Forget about it. Let's see what I just did actually in the reverse. Gosh, I like that car. Okay, it's like the Axe truck, but it doesn't matter for that one. Every car in eyes is so fucked up. Yeah. So I started up to, was very angry and found a way actually to, yeah, cheat away, you know. 6.4, what happened here? Oh gosh. Starting to get lameness on this crack. Probably Springston and some police hill. Yeah. Let's get that done. Where's the final, eh? Guess what? It's on police with the final. Oh, there's something else I just saw. Oh, gosh. It's another track. I think it was LA, right? Oh. Whatever. Cheers up. Try to get the car wash. I think we crash in this. Nobody else. Car wash, we coming. One little slack. Oh, 50k! Yay! Oh, nice! And the 600 XP. There was a little slack actually I just did on the wall. But that's okay. And I was so close sometimes at the outskirmish corner. I thought, oh man, I crashed or something. I like that car. Nice. That was fantastic, dude. Wow, the clouds are getting really dark now. Shut up. No, we really can't say final actually. In some police. That's the X truck. What's the other truck actually from well, R.I.P can block? Can't remember. Sorry. On the DefRekka account there was a couple of cars. I never couldn't control them. There was the RX-7, the RX-8, and this other can block car, and actually his Mustang as well. Started up the DjVolgin account after it just locked out actually on YouTube. Somehow I just found my own reception actually for RX-7. Get the truck, the cargo. And so I just built up actually a muscle car, and then I've come back to the RX-8 and to Von Junior's Fords. And somehow that was working very well, these kind of suspension work I just did. So, So, well, I'm playing this game since close to 3 years now. Makes fun, have fun, yeah. Having fun sometimes. Okay, the beginning was the first 5 months or something, a lot of frustration. Because I'm not the guy that researching for internet or something about some setups. I just want to deal done with this problem by myself. But this is sometimes the best because it's best for the future for yourself to understand how these cars in the game working. And I'm one of these guys actually say Assetto Corsa is a piece of shit. Because so many people say Assetto Corsa is the best. I'm sorry. Forget about it. This game is 80% actually only for drift simulation, okay? Done. Assetto Corsa is dealing done with what? Over realistic stuff like Gran Turismo as well. Sorry. Coming back actually for this thematic about the crack. I'm just here for chilling, nothing more. I'm one of these guys from Need for Speed Pro Street. I love to drift and making drag strips, making these wheelies, stuff like that. Was never a fan about grit. I mean, grip, not grit, sorry. I loved grip. Grit was awesome, but these drifting as well. Fantastic. Still actually for me, fantastic. Even the last title, I think about Grid 5 or something, I loved it, the motorsport stuff like this, because the story was amazing, taming me down. Man, that was very awesome. I was tearing a lot with these in the ending. And I played it 3 times through to platinum. Sometimes I love games so much, I play the different accounts that have a long term actually in years, playing games through to platinum. It takes a little while here and there. And I like race games. The problem is I drink a lot of beer, smoking my cigarettes. I can't give you numbers in year how many gallons I'm drinking beer. But I can say between 15 to 20,000 actually by the cigarettes and tequila. Yeah, that I can say. But the beer, I don't know. Maybe the same. So kind of. But it's stupid to say. But I'm not sure. There's a lot of money actually spending in just a chilling time. If you don't have wife and kids, no friends, no life, no family, stuck in an apartment like a construction worker, you should actually build up your own house, but you don't have money about that one. Because it's every year costs more and more the material, the place you want to buy to build up actually your house. It costs, you must be a multimillionaire or something in Germany already. This is totally fucked up. Then what kind of my dream actually, I just want to convert my uncle's farmerhood actually to get into like a little paradise or something. It cost me more like a 56 million with a lot of stuff. Make it attractive or something. She can actually some kind of 2 families living with it in itself by his actually, that when truckers are coming over or something, helpers, they have home. I just already drawed actually the kind of all of these architect aesthetic. I already drawed that, and my construction worker just saw that as well. And I'm not done with that, you know. It took me actually 2 days, only 2 days. But the cost to get away with all these stuff and build it up, you're kind of a 12.5 million at the time right now. This is so fucked up. And I'm old. But it's done maybe in 12 years or something like this. What I have from this? Nothing. Looks good maybe. It's in a little village. It's a farmhood, you know. So, well. Have everything. What's it calling? A panic room? They have actually several panic rooms. Kind of these little Resident Evil style as well. like that stuff. A lot of space for cars, repairing cars as well. Whatever. Dream on, right? You have to say dream on because it's never happened. Even if it happened, I'm not happy then, you know. Because you may be living on the streets and you're begging for coins, and still actually somebody else bought it off by cheaper stuff, you know. I don't know. Fuck it up. Tjus up kampanjer så vi så det ska på next stream. A construction worker can actually dream on the D style. That's okay. So know how the actually person and maybe electrician or something, BMW or Audi or something here nearby. If they dreaming, oh gosh, what's your price? Not under what? 500,000? Are you kidding me? I know the prices. I know actually what's costing and stuff, and you going every year. It costs more and more to excavate or just sorting stuff out, and just, you know, then the building costs and own the place, and come on, this is bullshit. Forget about it. Whatever, for today, I just have to say congratulations to Elon Musk. I just saw a video. That's awesome. The rocket is working. But it never happened, you know. It cost 100 million, 50 to 100 million to start up this project. Going whenever and whatever you just want the deal done to go somewhere else. The extraterrestrial life. I'm just saying that, like, all the times like that, we be starting up the project. The type is going up in the air, the atmosphere, and it costs a lot. What kind of money you need to, more than actually 50 millions you have to pay for that little dream you're going around the world, around maybe somewhere else in the galaxy, you maybe can, this is bullshit. Nobody can actually get that money away to say, oh gosh, nobody can pay for that. Credit here, credit there, forget about it, stupid, it's bullshit. But it's a good dream. He had a lot of money. I think 285 billion or something, this crack. Okay, good. But he's one of the first one actually starting up to make it possible, right? But where is this money coming all the times from? And that's the problem. You're not producing that from zero out and saying, alright, I produce my own money, you know what I'm saying? Jerking other people's up. And that's a big thing. God thanks that the Chinese are not on the top 10 or something, this shit. Of the most richest peoples in the world, on the earth, I mean. That doesn't matter for that. It's just like where you get the materials, all this stuff, how many people actually have to suffer for that, and that's my own problem for myself. It's not the emission, you know. Look at that, Germany, we done so many stuff with emissions, we really want to go down, but the neighbor countries, go fuck ourselves. They're building up nuclear plants, they give a fuck on emissions. I hear today that America makes a half found actually on these, the Fords, they're starting up actually the half of the emission, they want a deal done for the future cars, and that's awesome. Thank you very much for America. Finally, they're just snapping a little bit. But the rest of the earth, especially China, which is actually these South Africa, or just these kind of, you know, these states where it's very warm and all this stuff. Even if it's a tuk-tuk or something, it doesn't matter. They can't even breathe in this. Pakistan is the best explanation. They can't even breathe in the cities anymore. Look at Germany. I can not even breathe anymore. I don't hear some like this one. It's just only the tree sperm or something. They have allergic or something. But it has nothing to do with the cars. The whole emission, what comes to Germany, is from the I have to say, European outsiders. It gets the emission into our country again and again. Deal done. Going through Germany. They have not to pay something, nothing. The emission gets worse and worse because the neighbor states, the neighbor countries, because they don't care about it. Austria care, Switzerland is caring, and that's it. Maybe Denmark, but that's it. The rest, they don't care. They're building up, deal done with whatever they want, close to Germany, to make money with the nuclear plant. the power, I mean, the prices and all this stuff. They don't care. They give a fuck. We Germans, we really try, but, well, that's why I don't care about politics anymore. I don't care about emission anymore. Makes no sense anymore. We have so many these people that are gluing down actually in the tarmac. It brings nothing. Of course, this is the future for them, but it brings nothing. There's always managers, they always hire people that don't care about that one. And I don't care because I'm working on the construction side. What you want to do, you're done. Electric trucks, fine ass. Okay. Have fun. But where is this power coming from? From the neighbor countries. They're producing a lot of emissions to get us actually the power to Germany with a high price. Oh, we have not even a nuclear plant anymore working this in Germany. Not one of these are working anymore because we shut it down because of emission. We say yes. And Sweden, look, Sweden is #1 all the times. Because why? They're robbing actually other countries like Chile, Argentina, or somewhere else actually these materials and making electric cars. Yeah, because Sweden never gets the little wind from European actually into his own country to get a little bit emissions from smelling for Spain, Italy or something, getting smell about emission. Never comes on because the wind is always turning into our country to Germany, Denmark, Germany, into Portugal and goes away to R.I.P or something. Never comes to Sweden. Sometimes they have melty weather in Sweden, yeah. But the snow is getting a little muddy and smell down the ice and stuff, but okay, well. They're so happy with what they have. Yeah. Whatever. Sweden is for me actually seriously a terrorist about having electric cars. Because the stealing and stealing already still doing this and making other countries, the farmer herd actually very fucked up. Killing people at the same time they're so happy they're #1 and we have emission free and all blah blah blah. They're one of the worst. Sweden is like China, only small. Done. Okay? I'm done with talking. That's why I'm not talking over this business in English. In German it's easier to talk by myself, but this makes me sick. Okay? That's why there are documentations on YouTube, Amazon, doesn't matter. Have fun with that. Tschüss, ab Kampagne, bis die spielen. Yeah, Gavin Mac, we have, I have a photo light here. You can presentate yourself, but I'm German, Bavarian. Watching out for emissions. Sorry, dude. Yeah, it is so. I'm just laughing because, seriously, I don't care. I'm single. Nobody cares on me. I don't care on them. I'm just a person on construction site. They need me, and that's it. Even a crane driver, bricklayer, whatever. I can deal down with everything. But I don't care. They don't care. No thanks, no nothing. Coming home, clean up my apartment again, smoking, drinking. That's it. Next day, the same shit. Next childless. Oh, the next kindergarten day from the other construction workers, blah 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 and stuff, Yeah, seriously, it is kindergarten what they're talking about all the times. A little millimeter here, centimeter there. I have already plan B and C in my brain. It's always like, what the fuck is they talking about? Making the whole day, the 9 hours, actually like a disaster. There's no disaster, goddammit. If you have solutions, what the fuck you talking then? Well, let them talk. They're old enough. I don't know what's going on at home by them. Was that a fart? I think I pissed myself. I'm just kidding. The next round I need to go to pee fast, so cheers up, Kampagne, bis die next stream. Or I go now to pee and having a next actually 3 laps time. But not to go to pee. Oh honey, what's going on? What else? Thanks for watching, by the way. There's only one watcher in here, and I have to say thank you very much. Because the other two ones actually is my cell phone and my desktop YouTube, better say. Because the other one is proving actually quality, and the other one is actually making down the chat. Sorry for that one. Because sometimes it's so crazy. Yeah, that was a fart. That's the beer, definitely. Need to change that fucking order. Not smelling or stinky, but the problem is this beer is too malty. That beer has 5.2, right? Has too many malt in there. A normal bright beer, or as you say, a light beer in America, it's a 4.8. And it has not these, what's it calling? My English. What's that in Hefe of English? God damn it, I have not so much bubbles in there, but there's a product actually that makes the bubbles, right? And this beer has especially too much product to make too much bubbles after you drink it. And that's a problem. You get blued up with this beer too much. Even on construction side, I say I can't take anymore because I get soda burns on this shit. Yeah, of course it's $3 or something cheaper than actually the others, but it doesn't matter. I need to change that again. Everything smells good in here. Only this workroom in here. Ta-da! Forgot the beer, but it doesn't matter. That was not a fart, that was my bar chair. My god. What's wrong? Shit. Oh shit, my man. You wanna shit on your sheet? Huh? Tequila. Bill Boy song. Nobody saw that. Gobarimasu. Hold on, the earplugs. It's daylight again! Accident in here? Oh man, this car is just too big. Sometimes I can't watch left and right at the same time when I'm speeding up. That truck is a little dangerous. So as I was going through actually that, over the bridge and coming down below, I said to myself, let's go left and right to go into, get actually closed up the bridge and going into. I just crashed because that was too much. I was swagging too much. I just forget about that one. My English sucks, I'm sorry for that one. It was a bad decision. Just $40,000 just crashed in there. Yeah, hello? They're from the town actually want to see some money as well to repair. It's not about these $5,000 I have to pay for the truck. Actually, I crashed a little bit in there. Money, money, money. Los Angeles want to see. So, another 2 beers and then it's actually sleeping room, right? Yeah, the pizza, the burnt pizza. Don't worry about that one. It's already crunchy with salad later on. I'm not a quitter. And maybe that's why I'm getting fat all the time by bad food. Oh, come on, dude. Oh, no. Don't go there. Got another capture. Oh my gosh. This check. I think that was a final. Let's see. Done everything? Yep. Alrighty. What's the record? 76? Oh, let's do 80k. Ganbarimasu. Thanks for watching, by the way. Cheers up! Kapaj, that's Robbie. Salut, skål. PsN Acc. Skål. Oh, holy shit, that was it. I thought actually, a quart of beer. It was more than 300 milliliters. Hans Peter. I need a new cigarette. Kind of nice music you're playing here. Already going through with that? Holy shit, we're listening a lot of today. 97-minute live stream. So say so. Wow. What a finisher. That's something we guys, maybe. Not sure. If you have Spotify link in.
URL.
Open up a new Explorer tab. Left, right. My English, German. I was so close to saying have frustrations. Have fun. Sorry. Oh, my English sucks. Sometimes I can't find words because the translator actually up in my brain, it takes a little while. As I say, I'm burned out today. Gerstenmoids. Goodbye. Pump it up. Gambatte. Oh, crack. Nice one. Holy shit, everything is so loud now. Okay, here we go. I pull up actually my cell phone with my earplugs from Soundcore. Shit, I don't want to make commercial. The equalizer from actually Spotify, it pumps so much in. And I still can actually hear the game. Music is a little bit loud here right now. Fantastic. That's something like double times as before from 5 minutes ago. Alright, that was a final. Next vehicle. Not done yet. It's close to 22 o'clock here in Germany, Bavaria. I don't care. And hi. Something fancy. Oh, a little snotty. A loud worker. Let's see. So we'll open up for that. 72. Okay, I don't care. Let's do this one. 24. Let's push the earplugs again. Oh, some cars are very loud and annoying. But these muscles, or actually these European cars, are like the Japanese, or better said, the Asian cars, like I don't like. I mean, I like what the deal done, what's going on, but only these high-pitched engines that hurt so much in the ears. Only for 5 minutes I can have them, but that's it. This guy feels like actually they have a V4 or something. And the rest of the Earth actually were V12, V8, V10. Even a V16 listens actually very basomatic. But these high-pitched engines, these V4, V6, V8, what they should dealing done with the Wankel motors. I don't like. Sorry, I'm so sorry. I like Japan. I like its traditional, but seriously, so high-pitched stuff. Normally the Japanese don't need actually goggles. They need actually earplugs for his ears. They must be actually deaf, not having a bad view for real life. I mean, for if you have Google on, you know, and you're watching papers or something, and you don't can see something, they have actually issues with his ears, not with the eyes, because these engines. Why do Asians have all the times these, you know? They don't need that. They have problems with the ears normally. Producing so high-produced pitching engines. Like BMW in Germany as well. In the early times, I mean. That's very weird. Yeah. And that was ninjas, samurais? Weird. Technology. Magnetism. Yeah, whatever. Don't understand me wrong, but why? I should all the times ask, what are you just saying? Hello? Huh? When we seen like eagles, these agents. But they don't. They don't see like eagles. Weird. I'm just kidding around. Can't be worse actually on Asians. Only on North Korea. Philippine. That's it. There's something else. Oh, China. Yeah, China's Asian as well, right? Yeah, Chinese. Producing everything in cheap. They don't care about human life anyway. All these stuff. Whatever. Blah, blah, blah. I just told actually I don't want to talk about this political stuff, and I'm sure the deal done actually whatever they want to deal done with is live. Shame on them. Brain soup. Tequila. Mostly have to say all the times when I see tequila from Mexico, it must be some cocaine in there. You never know about the drug dealers down below. Yeah, something like that shit. Alright, everybody's gone anyway to Rapture. Good for me. Then I can stop talking.
Oh, we also got full moon. Sif time.
Kurze Zeit für euch Idioten. a hékelne. That's a loser. Cebollas. There you go.